Hi everyone, I'm Felicia Fox. Welcome to my channel. Today is day 5 of the Carnivore Diet. So I'm going to do 90 days carnivore and 90 days vegan and track my progress and see how my body responds to each lifestyle. I thought I would do that just for fun. So I feel pretty good. Last night I didn't go swimming because the pool was closed. However, I did lift some weights and I did do some yoga. And I thought the yoga in particular was very beneficial for me because it loosened up my body in a good way and it helped me manage the body pain a little bit better. During the yoga session, I was cramping and that's never happened to me before. So I'm guessing that maybe I'm low on electrolytes. So I made sure I salted my meals today pretty good. If it continues, then maybe I'll consider supplementing, but we'll see. So that helped me sleep better too, and it helped with the body pain a little bit, even though my right foot is still massively sore. I did manage to make a chiropractor appointment for tomorrow, so we'll see how that goes. This morning I had a really lovely breakfast of a goat cheese omelet and a pan-fried trout. It was so good. It was super good. However, it was probably a little too much. I'm finding that I'm not eating as much in one sitting as I used to, so I'll have to adjust for that right now. This, I don't think I'll be able to eat all of this. This is my supper for tonight, rib steak and shrimp. But yeah, I'm gonna try to eat it all. And you see that I have lots of big, coarse, chunky gray salt on top. Today I also went swimming in the outdoor pool and it was fantastic. It was really good to move my body in the sunshine and the water. I haven't been to that pool in probably, 30 some years, almost 40 years. Isn't that crazy? I used to go to that pool when I was a child. And it was nostalgic and it was amazing and it was super good. So my mood is a little better today because of the sunshine and exercise, and the body pain is slightly better. So one thing I haven't talked about that I haven't stopped doing is drinking coffee. So I still have coffee. So I guess I'm not 100% carnivore because coffee is a plant. I find that I don't think I'm gonna give it up unless I find that I have to later because it's part of my morning ritual. So I make perked coffee in my mom's old percolator and I've been putting heavy cream into it. And then I take it back to bed and it's awesome. I do my meditation and my morning rituals with my cup of coffee, and so it feels like it's part of my routine. If I find that I'm getting like a negative physical response from it, then I'll stop it, but for now I'm gonna keep it. I have been 100% carnivore otherwise. Well, you've been looking at what I'm eating, so I'm not cheating because I really want to do this experiment as best as I can, just to see how I eventually respond to it, if there's any health benefits to it. But so far so good. I feel good. I think that was all that I wanted to mention today. So tomorrow I'm gonna go to the chiropractor and see if we can work out my foot situation. Anyway, I'm gonna eat this beautiful steak. See how beautiful it is? The salt on top. Okay. Catch you guys later.